Good day guys, I am Srilan Kitay. So today I will teach you the basic steps of using this portable sewing machine, and of course I will identify the different parts of this sewing machine as well as its function. So as you can see, it has lots of functions and lots of different little things found in that portable sewing machine. So this portable sewing machine does have an instruction. So this is the instruction found in that sewing machine that I bought, and then it has some extra items such as this three empty bobbins, and we have also one full bobbins, and of course some extra needles. All right. So for now, we are going to identify the different parts of this portable sewing machine. So I got the first one, hand wheel. So this is the hand wheel. So the function of this hand wheel is it enables move or adjust to machinery like this. Next one, we have the bobbin spindle. So this is the bobbin spindle. The function of this part is to hold your bobbin thread that's actually going to be sewn. So this is the bobbin spindle. Alright, so we have another one part of the sewing machine. This is what we call tension screw. So the function of the tension screw is it allows you to tighten or loosen the tension. Right. Another one is we have a thread spindle. So this is a thread spindle, and the function of this one is to hold a large spool of thread. But right now we have no spool here, so we cannot use this. Okay, so we have another one which is a take-up lever. So this part is what we call take-up lever. So I'll just do this manually right now. Okay, as I turn this handle towards me to see if the lever moves up and down, and that is how the thread gets sucked into the freezer foot area. This is the freezer foot area. Alright, supposedly there is a thread cutter in this side and also a lamp in this side, but this portable sewing machine I bought is not too expensive, so that's why there is no free lamp and thread cutter here. Up next, we have what we call thread fixing ring. So let me show to you. This is a thread fixing ring. So this is a thread fixing ring. When you go to thread the whole machine, so it's just a little ring right here near the needle. So you can just go ring through there. And of course, we have needle. It is very important. And also we have this one. This is a freezer foot. So this is a freezer foot which is used to hold the fabrics. So let me show to you. So this is this one. Okay, this is to hold the fabric as it is fed through the machine and stitch. Right. Then we also have a bottom bobbin, and then of course this bobbin plate cover. Okay, that's the bobbin plate cover. Next one, we have the power button. So this is the power button. Okay, this is the power button for off and on. Okay, the next one, we also have this one, the speed. This is the speed. So as you can see, there is L as low and H as high. All right, so high and low. So you just freeze it in high speed, take it back out for low speed, and then that's really great functions for if you are using a button to control the machine. All right, so that's it. And we have our power source, which is also great. So our power source, or also known as a charger of this portable sewing machine. So we gonna plug this one first. Okay, just wait. So this is how we use the power source. Right, that's it. However, if you don't have any electricity but you have a battery, you can use battery. So where we put the battery? So here, in here. All right, but since we have no battery right now, so we just use this power source or charger, which is electricity. All right, so that's all the parts of this portable sewing machine and the function as well.